So now what I want to do real quick is I want to take it over to Marianne. Marianne, are you with us, my friend? You
So
guys, she
you guys
retired.
obviously heard that was our thing. I think
Yeah.
hair looks good.
Tim, are you, or Marianne? Okay, you can hear me. Okay.
I
You can
am
take it
here. I
away. How
am
are you
here.
doing?
Good. How are you guys? Thank you, Michelle, for having me. I'm Marianne. I'm 60 years young. I am a full-time RVer traveling the US with my husband. He's 65. I can't even draw Social Security for another 2 years. Will Social Security even be here? I don't know. My story's a little different. I started in May of 2023. But I didn't get my system set up until August. And I'll tell you the first steps I took in August. I shut the TV off and I had blinders on. I dove into the training and I've just built my business up month over month. I hit 100K and I think Daryl and I are within days of each other. It may have been posted on the same day. You guys, I was in credit card debt of 50 grand. I'm a high school dropout. I was involved in Amazon FBA. I now have that 50 grand paid off. Again, I've got the blinders on. I purchased a new vehicle, not a new vehicle, a different vehicle to pull our 40-foot RV with. I've done the 40-40-40 rule, worked 40 years of my life, 40, 50, 60, 70 hours a week for 40% of my retirement. If you are here, you are meant to be here. Just take action. You guys, this can change your life. At the last time I counted, I'm at 140K for 2024 now.
That is so awesome.
Yes. Put the blinders on. You can do it. If I can do it at 60, you can do it too.
Mm. So what would be your best advice to give to people close to retirement age that, don't really know tech? What would be your best advice for them?
Just do it. It's the easiest to set up. Our website is built for us, and follow Michelle's training to the T and never veer off it. Never veer off it. Don't jump into the next best thing. Just stay here and put your blinders on, and it will happen for you.
Ah, I love that.